Hello everyone, Gautam Reddy here from Trade the Truth. I hope today everyone is enjoying the profits in my live streaming. So let's go for the head for the. So far we have done with almost like 52,000 rupees of profit. So as I have clearly mentioned in my today's video that we have made almost a strong double bottom support around like 50,500 levels. So that has given a strong conviction for us to take the opportunity in every move of the day. Okay. So in this kind of scenario, we need to wait with patience near the support level. So this is the support which you have given in the first 15 minutes itself. First 15 minutes itself, we have seen a strong manipulation near 50,500 levels. In that area of zone, we got a strong support around like 50,500, which has given a strong conviction for us to take the advantage in 50,500 call. Initially, I was in small quantity of put of like 50,700, but with a very small quantity to test the depth of the market. So when I don't get clarity, first I'll test with small quantity in the depth of the market, then I'll go for huge volumes in the straight conviction mode. So this is what which you have seen in the today's session. And first 15 minutes, as I have clearly mentioned, price and pattern as per the based on the price action methodology, everything has sustained perfectly in the first 15 minutes candle itself. I'll be clearly showing you here. So when we get a strong support around like 50,500 levels, it's a time for spot on the best strategy, that is like 50,500 call, which I have clearly mentioned in my earlier video also. So today it's a double distribution day. Yesterday it was like consolidation of 250 points. That 250 points has broken down strongly and it has given a strong move towards upside region of 51,000 levels. As I have clearly mentioned also from last 2 to 3 days, there is an unfinished business in Banknifty future around like 51,000 levels. Here we are seeing as very keenly, we are almost near to 51,000 levels. That is the next area of the resistance, and it is struggling from last few trading sessions. So let's go for the higher time frame also at the same time. If you observe in the 2-hour time frame also, we are going for one more hit on the spot of 50,500 call. Now will be in the light quantity. Moves are so fast and it is not giving a proper conviction right now. So due to the high volatility, first we need to see whether next 2 hours is going to hit. Wow, as I'm trying to place the order of small quantity here to 500 levels, it's almost moved to like 515 and 520 levels. Okay, so we can't take any new advantage right now. So now let's wait for some more time in case if you want to take any opportunity for the upcoming trade. So if you see the Nifty also 24,730, is a range going on so far, but we need to identify the next gap of fill up range. Next gap fill up range will go around like 24,750 plus. Okay, in case all rules are go on perfectly, so we can see a new high for the upcoming days, or else we may drag down for the recent low. That is the one which I have mentioned you in the positionally. So right now, conviction for the upcoming moves is all about we need to wait and watch, because see, today first 2 hours is like smooth going market with the proper support trend lines, with the proper price action, with the proper 2 hour time frame has given the proper clarity to take the advantage in 50,500 call. So coming to the point here, so right now Banknifty is almost near to 51,000 level. That is the next area zone. If we observe the recent rally and the recent pullbacks, 51,000 level acted as a strong resistance in our recent moves. Almost like 2 weeks of consolidation. We are seeing almost like 2 weeks of consolidation. Today, let's see, we are going to break out this area. Okay. In case if you are going to break out, it is a good advantage for everyone to take small quantity once again in call side only. So manipulation is going on in last almost like 2 weeks of time. So in case this breakout breaks strongly, it is a next big advantage for the bulls beyond 51,000 levels. Let's see in the time frame of 3 hours also. So now I'm just holding with one lot. Okay, let's see. Just for testing the strategy of next 12:15. Now time is almost like 11:20. So for next 12:15, we need to see where exactly the resistance takes place, or whether market is going beyond the resistance or below the support range. That we need to observe for the upcoming next 15 to 20 minutes will give us the more clarity on our trade. Just I'm holding one lot so far because already my game is done so far. But next I'm going to take the advantage of the upcoming resistance. In case 51,000 level takes resistance, will turn to the support region. Again, there is a shoot on the spot towards one more round of upside move. Okay, that is like 51,250 is the next resistance area. See, just I have taken a small quantity here. Just it is a very small quantity of one lot to test the pattern and price action for the next 15 minutes. So everything is going on really smooth. But here we need to observe it's all about next 51,000 levels. I really appreciate the levels and patterns which I had given in my previous video. In the morning, I had clearly mentioned there is a strong unfinished business around like 51,000 levels, where we got a strong opportunity around support range of 50,500. So now we need to wait and watch the game. So let's see how it is going on for next second half. Actually, I have expected a big move in the second half, and I thought first off will be a kind of manipulation first one, but in the 15 minutes only it finished off. So I got clarity in the second range of 15 minutes candle that has given a strong advantage for us also at the same time. So now let's move on with light quantity. Already we have crossed nearly 1% so far. So far we have crossed almost like 1%. Now we need to wait and watch for the further action in the market. So exactly we are at 51,000 resistance range. Exactly we are at 51,000 resistance range. This resistance should turn into the strong support in the higher time frame with the breakout of volumes. Already we have seen a strong breakout of volumes, but we need to see the proper observation is going on right now around like 51,000 levels. In case if it is going to give towards the support, it is going to shoot on towards for next resistance of 51,250 levels. Okay, so anyhow I'm holding with the light quantity here. So a lot of manipulation was we have seen in the recent like 2 to 3 days of sessions. like coming to 50,800, coming to 50,850 and 900 levels, but unable to touch and sustain 51,000 levels. This is the area zone, almost like 2 weeks of consolidation we have seen, and this area should sustain strongly for the next distribution towards 51,250 range. So let's wait and watch for the further action in the market. In case if this is going to happen, we are extending our profit towards maybe 55,000 or 60,000. Let's wait and watch for some more time. So no need to hurry for anything so far. So we are going 51,000 plus. This is the perfect unfinished business which we have seen in the recent days. So almost we are holding right now with one lot. This one lot should sustain with the low of 450 levels in 50,500. Also, we may extend our profit towards like 55,000 still or 60,000 levels. Okay, this observation which you can see right now. But Nifty is going on really strong. Even in the yesterday's moves, also Nifty has given a clear-cut indication for the one bullish move. So tomorrow is the expiry for Banknifty at the same time. So almost Nifty 24,750. That is the level which I have mentioned in our video also in today's morning pre-opening. Okay, so exactly the precise levels which you are seeing right now. So now let's move on with 50,500 call with just a small quantity of one lot. In case 51,000 sustains, we may extend our profit towards 1.10, 1.20% of the profit. So now we are exactly at the resistance range. So here we can see the strong resistance range of 51,000 levels. It was struggling from last 2 weeks of time. It is unable to sustain this level in the last 2 weeks. So now today, due to the double bottom distribution around like 50,500 levels, let's see in case this level sustains exactly around like 51,000, we may see a one more round of bulls in the market for the upcoming day. So let's wait and watch with patience. So patience is very much important in trading. So even in Nifty also at the same time, 24,750 is the next resistance range. 24,750 sustains strongly. We are going for new all-time high. If not, next drag down of pullback will happen towards the recent low of 24,000. So we need to be very careful in this region. That's the reason today morning only I have taken the good volume play. Now I'm just playing with a single or two lots just to extend my profit for the remaining part of the day. So my dear friends, so we need a lot of patience to observe this 51,000 levels which we are struggling to sustain in last 2 weeks, almost entire August. Last first half of the August, we are not unable to sustain here 51,000 levels. So now it's the time to observe keenly whether we are going to sustain for the upcoming remaining part of the day. So now, even today is the Finex expiry is going on. Let's observe even in Finex also at the same time. Fin Nifty. Let's observe the Fin Nifty also right now. So Fin Nifty is also almost like 1% up. Today is the expiry for Fin Nifty, and tomorrow is the expiry for Bank Nifty, and day after tomorrow is the expiry for Nifty. So clear cut resistance is going on near 51,000 levels. Now sustainability is important. Almost we have reached to unfinished business line of 51,000 levels as per the weekly candle. Now 51,000 levels must sustain for the next area zone towards 51,250 is the next resistance. So whenever you just observe it in a simple manner, 51,000 level is the overall resistance in last 2 weeks. In case this level sustains strongly, this resistance turn to strong support, we can see a good move towards 51,250 and 51,500 possibilities also there. So this is a kind of disturbance we'll see near the resistance area zone. Okay, it won't give the clear cut clarity. At least next 1 hour or at least for 45 minutes, it will be in the disturbing the mode of near resistance levels. So in this kind of disturbance range, first we need to be with the light quantity. Don't go for huge quantity because now clarity is lacking. But even though we are hit at 51,000 levels, next candle may turn towards like positive, or it may turn towards the negative, or it may turn to the flat. That's the reason I'm just holding a single lot right now to extend my profit. Always I'll go with a lot or two to extend my profit towards 1.1% or 1.2%. Beyond that, it's difficult to go for the remaining part of the day because almost the game is done in the first 2 hour candle. Right now, we are extending towards like 12:15, which is going to close 3 hours candle around 12:15 exactly. So after 12:15 or 1 o'clock, in case 51,000 level strongly sustains, we are going to hit for the new resistance range of 51,250, or else we may see the pullback towards mid range of around like 50,850 or 900 levels. Just it will make the time pass moves and it will eat away the premiums of the greedy traders. So just I'm holding with one lot so far. Let's wait and watch. So my profit is almost like 52,500. So you can see my order page also how I have taken the execution steps. So I have acted in a small quantity of 100 inputs and I have taken a huge volume play in the calls. That is the kind of action which I have taken in the today's move. So let's wait and watch whether it is going for the resistance breakout or no. So even Nifty is also struggling around like 24,730 levels. That is the area zone for the resistance in Nifty. Just it is creating chaos near 51,000 levels. So 51,000 levels should act strongly. Next, this is a resistance zone. This resistance zone should take out with the proper support for the upcoming move in the market. So first we need to identify where is the exact resistance for the day is almost, which I have identified in the today's morning only. Okay, around like 51,000 levels. So this area is just creating the disturbance, creating a turmoil to throw out the weak traders. In case this level sustain for the next few minutes of maybe another 40 minutes or another 45 minutes, so we are going for the new high for the day. This is a clear cut for the right now. So right now 50,500 is the key level for the week. 51,000 level is the key level for the resistance zone. So this level should sustain strongly. So still turmoil is going on here. Resistance range of 50 to 100 points is quite common, that creating the disturbance in the market. So we need to wait for further at least up to like 12:15 to get the more clarity in the upcoming moves. So up to that, there is no chance for clear cut distribution in the price action. So even IBs also perfectly taken out the proper support ranges. So 51,000 levels should take out strongly. So even Banknifty and Nifty are coincidentally going on in a proper bullish manner. Yesterday we have seen in a different manner. So Nifty was in positive and Banknifty was in negative. But today both has joined the party for the bulls. So let's wait for further some time. So just disturbance is creating near 51,000 levels. This is what we can see right now. So let's wait for another 15 to 20 minutes at least. So right now time is almost like 11:35. Let's see up to like 11:45 to 12 o'clock whether this area zone will take out the proper support. Resistance should turn into the proper support for the upcoming move in the market. So overall profit is around like 52,500 and 700 is going on. So next 2 to 3 hours plays a key role for the move. So turmoil is still going on right now. So there is no clear cut. Range is going on. So just as I clearly mentioned, like 50 points to 100 points, turmoil will goes on right now to create the disturbance in the market near resistance range. Whenever resistance turn into the strong support, then only we can see the advantage near 51,000 levels for the further upside towards like 51,250 range. So let's observe even in Nifty also. Nifty is almost like 1% up. Today is the expiry for Nifty. So we are dragged down almost like 50 points from the resistance range, which is around like 50,950 levels. So now we need to wait and watch for the further action in the market. So this kind of disturbance is quite common near the resistance range. So we need strong patience to hold near these levels. So even in Nifty also right now 24,720 and 730 range is going on. So let's go to the Nifty chart right now. So exactly it is standing near the resistance range in Nifty. So let's see where exactly the distribution phase will goes on. In case 51,000 levels unable to sustain, we are going for a deep cut consolidation in the second half. So no clarity so far. So Banknifty should sustain 51,000 levels. That is a key important point which we need to observe right now. So these days, almost like 2 weeks, in first half of the August, we have seen a strong consolidation market in the range of 1,000 points. It was not at all a trending move. See, let's observe even in the higher time frame also, we have not seen any kind of strong trending moves as we have observed in the July series. August is going on really tough month, but it is very good month to play in the day trading. So 51,000 level, still turbulence is going on near that level. Almost like 70 to 80 points drag down we have seen. Let's wait and watch for further action in the market. So even in Nifty also, it is going for the base. Base for the day is almost like 24,600 levels. Let's see, let's wait for further moves in the market. So right now time is almost like 11:40. So just it is playing on near the base region. So a lot of confusion is going on. That's the reason. When we get the clarity, then only we have to shoot up with the volumes, or else you should not shoot up with huge volumes, more than like 5 or 10 lots. So proper risk management is required to play the game of options. Without knowing the proper risk management and position sizing, kindly don't trade in options. Okay, so you require proper strategy and proper system in place. So if you want to learn the proper position sizing, kindly make sure to subscribe our live webinar, which we are going to conduct in the upcoming weekends. So kindly sign up in our website www.tradethetruth.co. So this is our website. So kindly make sure to sign up for our upcoming webinars. So right now, Bank Nifty is going on here like 50,950. Just a resistance disturbance is going on right now in the range of 50 and 60 points. So 51,000 level sustained. Maybe after like 12:15, we may see a strong move towards 51,000 plus at any point of time. If not, it is going to go for reversal mode, and it will empty the pockets of option buyers. So this observation I can see right now. Let's wait and watch up to 12:15. Let's observe what's the upcoming move for the day. We can see. If not, 51,000 levels, as I clearly mentioned, we will see a kind of reversal mode in the market. Yes, it is going on around like 50,940 levels in Bank Nifty. So sustainability is quite taking time. It is taking a lot of time near the resistance range. So resistance should turn into the strong support at any point of time. If not, it is going to reverse back badly with deep consolidation. Almost Bank Nifty given 1% move from the base region of 50,000 to 51,000 levels, almost like exactly 1%. So even we have also achieved 1% exactly profit, 1.05% exact profit towards like 52,000 levels. Let's observe 51,000 put also at the same time. Because today is a double distribution day, so bulls are very strong. Taking puts are very risky. But just I'm observing the key things. Where is a price and pattern and price action is going on so far. But seeing the price action of the put, so one down move is possible in Bank Nifty, but how far it is going to happen is a big question right now. So there is no proper clarity anyway. So we got almost like proper clarity in the opening, but in the mid range is quite tough. So during this range, so observing the 51,000 put, almost it is down of 500 points for IT. Put writers today morning is good, and call buyers today morning is good. So who trap today is call writers and put buyers. So still turbulence is going on near resistance range. So I want proper clarity near 51,000 levels. Then only there is a proper action for the upcoming move. Or else my day is done and we are ending up towards like 52,000 rupees of profit. So we're almost near to 51,000 levels right now. This area zone should give us a proper clarity for the upcoming move. Let's go with this one or two lots play we can do right now near the resistance range. In case resistance break out strongly, we will make good profit in these regions. So just a scalping methodology I'm using near the resistance range. We are almost near to resistance range of 51,000 levels. So let's wait and watch whether this level is going to sustain further for the remaining second of for the day. In case if we extend, we'll cross towards like 1.10 profit. So just I'm holding two lots right now near the resistance range. We are again came back to the resistance range after seeing the turbulence near the 51,000 levels. This level should sustain strongly right now. I don't think so it will go on fall play. So proper sustainability near 51,000 levels is very much important for the further move in the market. So let's wait and watch how the distribution and manipulation is goes on for the next few minutes of time. So right now, exactly we are around like 51,000 levels. No clarity, no conviction for the unnecessary trades, just holding two lots. So far done for the day. So see you everyone once again. See you everyone in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for everyone for attending my session. Have a great day.